El chico le quitó la ropa a la tía, obsesionado con sostener el par de ropa interior femenina robada, temblando incontrolablemente en la cama, casi rompiendo el marco de alambre. Desde la infancia, el chico había estado obsesionado con la mejor amiga de su madre. 5 años después, finalmente creció y se volvió astuto, usando varios medios para seducir a la mujer. La mujer de 40 años, incapaz de resistir tal tentación, pronto cayó completamente por él.
Are you okay, Karl? How did you get this drunk?
It's fine, Sophie. You'll take care of me, right?
Stairs. You good?
Can you tell me I'm faced around? Facility, I need to think. Yes, I found separators. I think of you now.
I can't believe I just slept with my best friend's son. Hours ago. Oh my God. How am I gonna face Selena? How can I be so reckless?
Sophie, where are you going?
Karl, this has to stop right now. This is all wrong.
I really want to be with you. I know you want me to. After all, we slept together.
Stop. Karl, I said that this has to stop. There's no way we can be together.
Wait, Sophie. I know I can't be your boyfriend, but that's okay. I can be your lover on your terms, even if it's a secret fling. I just want to be with you. Okay, I'll do whatever it takes.
I'm sorry. I can't. Karl, you need to leave my house.
Sophie.
I should clear things up with Selena. I owe her an apology.
Hey, having a tough training day? I brought you a healthy meal. What's going on? Are you seriously still hung up on that morally bankrupt Sophie?
And what about you? Was it moral when you went and played the mistress and slept with Sophie's fiancé?
So you've known this whole time? Are you gonna tell Sophie? Are you threatening me, your own mother?
I could care less about telling you. People like you get what's coming to them sooner or later.
Michael, I didn't expect to see you. Last time we talked, you told me you needed to lay low.
Well, I had the footage wiped clean. I guarantee Sophie will never be able to trace it back to me. Yeah, she was lucky, though. Didn't get a scratch on her.
Let me tell you what else Sophie did. She seduced Karl. Shameless woman. She turned Karl against me.
Hey, don't worry about it, babe. Now that I'm back, I will make sure that we get our revenge on her.
Michael? Michael?
Sophie! What the hell are you doing here?
Selena, you've been with Michael this whole time? You've been lying to me all along. You're my best friend!
Best friend. Sophie, you're a pathetic loser. Can't you see that now?
Selena, I have treated you with nothing but sincerity. I came here to apologize to you today. I can't believe I trusted you this whole time.
Did you really think I loved you? No. I was only with you for your money. Selena is the woman I truly love.
Oh, and a quick warning. If you keep clinging to Karl, I'll make sure everyone you know knows that you seduced an innocent college student.
I love it when you're mean.
Me too.
Sophie, you came to see me?
Did you know that my fiance was cheating on me with your mom?
Perfect. Just as I planned. Doing this for Sophie. You're staying by your side, Sophie.
Even you. You've been lying to me all along, helping her deceive me.
No, it's not like that. I didn't tell you because I didn't want you to get hurt.
You've been toying with my emotions all along. Don't touch me. I don't want to see you or any of you ever again.